So we're taking off this hose for the compressor. It goes from right here. It's a 10 millimeter. Goes down here. This one comes down over here, and this is another 10 mil. So we're going to use this 10 millimeter socket with an extension to reach down in there to get that.
How you doing?
Paul, how are you?
Good.
Good. So how long have you been here?
Since March.
Oh, okay.
So it's not getting that cold?
Oh, yeah, it's cool. Although it's not, and you know what? I thought, maybe it's just me. And my daughter got in and she goes, I don't think it's that cold. I go, okay.
So now we got that one off. We're going to set it off to the side. Now we're going to go under and go get the other one. Other 10 millimeter. So now we got that. Now we got the 10 millimeter off. We're going to pull this hose out and try to give it some room to get up. And now we're gonna go up here, pull this one out, and pull it through. That's what it looks like. The new one hanging up, right? Or where's the new one? Right here. This one. Other than it being tight, oh, and it's open on the other side. But other than it being tight, it's not that bad.
No.
Pulled it straight out.
You took it out compressors.
Yeah.
That's simple.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Lube.
Yep.
So what other stuff do you usually do? Or is it mostly small? Well, this time of year.
Yeah, this time of year it's usually just this, but I mean, you know, park shaking, brakes and struts and fuel pumps if needed, alternators, maybe like this, a water plug and stuff, tune up. Always depends if I can get to it or not these days. We're talking about cars that I got.
When I seen it, it just had the logo. It didn't say that it wasn't there. Trying to figure out our sales and it's a small, it's not very big, it's a small version. It's a Lincoln. I love Lincoln MKX.
Oh, MKX? Yeah. That looks pretty nice.
Yeah, they are. It very well equipped. And it was a 14. When I got it. It's not that big.
You know, something like that one, high maintenance.
You know what? Not too long ago, because I've had it about a couple of years, I guess.
So here, I just lubed up both sides on the oil rings, put a little bit of oil on it, that's all. Now we're gonna try to line it up to get it in there, and it should be pretty easy.
So I got it, so it was a 14. big wad. He goes, while we have it apart, we'll go ahead and change the time. That's one of the main things. Faster speeds. It does work.
Yeah, because you're raising the gas and making it do something. So even if it stops, it's not enough. I gotta leave it in hot air balloon. It's not giving that fire, it's not raised.
So now I'm gonna use the 10mm socket to get this back one. All you gotta do is just wrap it around, push it in. 10mm bolt, put that back in.
Yeah. Yeah, because I get different temperatures if it's only on low or right. I had a problem, like, what was on here? And I didn't think about it until I went in there and felt the air.
Where's the long one you said?
What, the long extension?
10 mil?
Oh, right there? Behind the oil?
That bottom one wasn't too bad. It was easier to put on than take off.
Really?
Yeah. So I think I finally figured out how to, get my hands in there a little better. And
Yeah. Sure did. But I ordered those earlier. I still had two, but it's not enough.
always make things easier.
I gotta do these two. Yeah, it's still short.
Always make sure to give it a good tighten though. Extra tight. Not extra tight, but always a good snug tight. And there you go. That should be it.